Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Mark, G-Man the gang. We'll give you a little PC 101 cleaning advice about cleaning your PC, or you Super Geek Squad dudes out there want to listen up on this one. Check this out. For demonstration purposes, this is an older, obsolete computer of mine. That fan right there and all fans within the computer is the main focus of this demonstration. Now, I like to use a vacuum cleaner. Some people use it. When you open it up, you got this fan, other fans inside. Some people use a vacuum cleaner. I use a vacuum cleaner. Other people use compressed air or an air stream. Here's the point. You can seriously damage this computer if you're not careful what you're doing with the airflow. Here's why. The fan here, as you can see, all the fans, all motors are also generators. So if you hit that with a blast of air and spin that too fast, you're going to send a power surge back into the circuit board and burn something. So if you go crazy with a bunch of heavy or high speed compressed air, open it up and go in there blowing around all over the place and blowing the fans real good and blowing them real fast at high speed, you'll probably end up with a brand new, nice, clean, broken computer. The point is, try and take something and hold the fan still as you either blow or hit it with a vacuum around the fan. Don't let the fan spin free. Like I said, you spin it too fast, because any motor is also a generator. So if you spin it too fast, you can send a surge back to your circuit board. I'm pretty sure you guys have cleaned many computers and all of a sudden turned it back on and something burnt on the board. That's probably what happened. So keep that in mind when you clean your PC. If you're going to clean your PC, don't spin the fan. Hold the fan still and then clean it. It'll save you a lot of trouble. Y'all be good now here. We'll keep jamming on the way. More videos are coming, trust me. I'll think of something. Bye y'all now. Peace.